Ralph here once again, and what I'm going to show you is how to access the CSV file via the API for the COVID tracking project. Probably one of the best sources of data out there for basically developing data models in reference to COVID. All right, so we import pandas PD, we import request. Now we're going to grab the CSV file, we're going to basically download it, open, close it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it to a pandas data frame because that's what I'm most familiar with in reference to basically creating data models. You could do a spreadsheet or whatever, but let's run it through. All right, there's our head of our data, the states, the dates, the positive, the negatives, the pending, tons of data in which to create incredibly effective models. Again, we're all signing off once again. This will be all on my YouTube channel. Just copy and paste as you see fit, and I'll catch you all later on. Ralph out. Bye.